Ready? Tazkia, give this. Okay. Now this is tomato. Tazkia, this is tomato, and we grill this tomato in the oven. Open your oven and give this in oven, okay? Yes. Give one piece, another piece. Yes. Okay. Now, yes. And grill 1, 2, 3. Press. Yes. Now we cook our tomato. Yes, it's already done. Tazkia, tomato is yummy. Is it yummy? Yes. Give some tomato in here and give some grilled tomato is here, okay? Okay. Now we grill some carrot, okay? This is your carrot, okay? And we give this in the oven. Give this oven? Yes. Yes. Micro oven. And press. Yes, press. Shh, shh, shh. Oh no. Yes. Good. You taste this? Is it yummy? And give some Dolly. Dolly want to eat. What about? Give this your baby. Wow. You eat some carrot. Carrot are very healthy for good health. Is it yummy? Is it yummy? Yummy? Give. Wow, yummy. Yummy. Give some your baby. Give. Yes. Give your baby, please. Little baby. Give this pie. Give this pie, your little baby. Give. Give this. Okay. Okay, this is the onion, and we now wash this onion in our basin. Okay, this is our basin. This is our basin. Shh, 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 shh. Wash this in your basin. This is the orange drinks. You want to eat orange drinks? This is your glass. Okay, take this glass and you drink some water. This is all your glass. Okay, Tazkia, drink. Give some water. Yes, drink some water. Wow. Wow, drink some water. Okay, give some water. Yummy. You give some water, your baby. You drink water. Okay, you drink water. Tazkia drink water. Yummy. Okay. Sure. Okay, take this, drink some water. Okay. This is tomato. Okay. Okay. Today our kitchen game is playing kitchen game is finished here, and play another game another day. Okay, bye for now. Tazkia say bye. Ta-ta.